What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. Tax Day, April 15th. 66 hour open, 64 hour low. We just kind of rallied. So we're up a good amount here, almost 30 points. We'll see if that continues. The 0205 area is what I'm watching. We get over that and we can make a run up to this probably 43, 45 area. That's going to be really my line in the sand. And I'll show you why in a second when we get to the hourly chart. We get back down below this, we're going to run at the 50. Below the 50, I don't know. It gets kind of interesting. Definitely this 3230 level. And then probably 15, but then the 01, the 5100 is basically my line in the sand on the bottom. So if we were to travel down through that, that's kind of where I'm at. But we'll see. We have a naked POC at 18, so probably 13 if we lose this, that 33, and then 15 is kind of what I'm looking at. Hourly. So your 2-month volume POC is at 42. My magic line's at 21, so we'll see. 88 your pivot, we're just above it now. 28, 50, 89, 52. These are okay today. 50, 20, 52, 26. I like that actually, that R1. That's a nice stop in between the 43 level. 42, 87, 43, 25. So we'll see today. As I said on late Friday or this weekend in the room, that if this becomes, if I ran, nothing happens with that crazy, then we're going to rally, and sure enough, that's where we're at. So the market kind of called the bluff, although bonds are down, so definitely keep an eye on tilt. That's the one that everyone should be watching. But anyway, so here we are, off the monthly lows of exactly 441.50, which I find interesting. So let's see if we get back into this 42.53 area as well. If we get above that 42.45. Here's your 5100, and this is a monthly open and close, and that's why I think that if we were to head down, that would be my level to watch. Weekly, kind of hugging the R1 on the yearly. SPX, we filled a cash gap, created a new one. So 75 to 99, that's going to be your target today. Would be 51.99 to clear that, or 50.75, but I think 50.75 could be a resistance as well. And if you look at that pretty much, it came in at about 10 points of the 50, but whatever. So that's going to be the level to watch, 51.11, 51.10 on SPX, that 50-day moving average. NVIDIA is a little higher by 9. Apple's a little lower. Apple's had quite a run. Off the lows there. Euro is still sad, so well below this, these two that was hugging before, and we just had a colossal drop. So maybe we'll save face today and continue, or we'll save face today and rally back. I don't know, but again, tilts on the lows, so we will see. Here, we're just gonna bring that up. I should have this on my charts, but here's bonds. So this is why I'm concerned, right? So you came up, and we're in a channel down, poke through it, but whatever. You have a huge gap down here. Below 80 is when this goes to 0. Like, that's the line in the sand, that 82 level. So we need to keep that. That's that October low. If we test that, which isn't far off here, considering we were just above 100, and this has been, you've had your spikes. It's like they're trying to save it as it goes down. Anyway, but keep your eyes on this, because as this goes down, this causes mass funding problems. So macro here, I would say 85 is your first level, and then if that 82 doesn't hold, we could go into a credit situation, and that's kind of where I'm looking at. So keep this on your chart. I usually do a 3 minute along with this as a 3 minute, whatever your time frame, but just keep an eye on that and watch how that correlates with this market. But this is the canary in the coal mine for all those who are interested. ES is up 27, Dow's up 205, and Nasdaq's up 100. So crude oil's down, gold is down. So kind of a reversal of what we had into the Friday of last week, which was the uncertainty of the Iran thing. The Iran thing happened. It was more of a test fire situation. And now we're going to kind of calm before the turning event, which is in May. So I could see gold heading into the lows into first week, second week of May, and then rebounding from there. So we could see that action over the next few weeks. Just something to keep in mind. That's just something I'm watching, nothing I'm trading. Anyway, have a safe day. I'll be in and out of the room today.